maybe it's time to do things differently.
You know who I am, don't you?
Yes, I think so. Son, please come. He left us like a bat out of hell and never looked back. What kind of man does that to his kids? And got the nerve to talk to me about a bomb?
I'm sorry. Well, I'm 35 years old, Dad, and you were never there, so you don't get to say you're sorry.
Do you remember this? It's gotta be better than what I have. I need to know why you left. What did I do?
Who said you did anything?
I should have realized that you just needed me to be your dad. That's what you came to find out, isn't it? What kind of dad are you going to be?
Always remember, son. The boys play, the men build.
Look, maybe he had his reasons that your mother never told you about, Leo.
I made so many mistakes, and I could have used some guidance. But I was determined. I was not going to be you.